Now let's move forward. Take 4 sets of chopstick and stick them together like this using the sellotape. Now take some green clay, make the ground using the fork like this and make some leaves and add some flowers to it. Now we are making a beautiful flower of different color that can be red or pink. Now stick them like this. The beautiful picture is ready. Now let's take a cardboard and cut out a circle from it. Now tape it down like this and turn it and again make a ground using green clay and fork. Again make the leaves or stem and we are adding some flower to it in lavender and purple color and we are making the honey bees. Wow! Let's take some earbuds, cut the end out from one side and stick it on the other side. Yeah, we have made small cute flowers and these flowers are looking really beautiful. You know na, these flowers are daisy. Yes. Now we have taken a bottle cap and stick the sticks around it, fill it with clay and insert the flowers. Wow, a beautiful pot is ready. Now take a roll and cover it with a brown chart paper and make a bushy tree like this. Add the flowers like this on tree. Thanks for watching.